You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos. At the end of this one, you'll want to listen to and learn from two different pronunciations in English: Aiman, Aiman, or alternative pronunciation, Aiman. Also, Aiman or Aiman, depending on the origin, the accent, the country. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.